Welcome to EasyArts47. Today I am going to draw the practice drawing. This is the torso drawing in the bean method, and it has been widely used as pose. It has been very well explained by Proco that how our skin reacts when our body moves on the turn and twist. The torso made up of three parts: the upper part and the lower part, the rib cage and the hips. So I tried to just incorporate that, the turn and twist through the two balls. It's the you said every position or every angle can be made look three-dimensional through this method. So it's the very popular method that has been taught in art school, and when I was scrolling through the YouTube, I got this method of how to draw the gesture and the poses, and it's the method after the stick figure. So I like this method very much. In this you have to just follow the rhythm line and make the two shapes that would represent the bean. So this method is also known as the bean method, and what I am making is the simple form of the bean method, and so it is known as the lima bean method, and it has one which form the complex structure, and it is known as the robo bean. The robo bean consists of squares, as this bean is only consists of ovals and circles, and this represents the body movement of the gesture or the figure, and it is very much widely practiced among the art student who want to draw the good illustration will use this method. And there is a technique on this method that how we should use it. If you have the photograph of it, of any model that are in dynamic mode, you can do that, or there is just the website where you can learn from it, and the website is of Proco. I am not promoting here any website, but for the sake of learning you can just do that and see how it is made. Though all the method that I made will look similar, but wait for my live when I will do the live also. When I will do the live, I will make sure that how this method will affect your figure drawing in a very constructive and positive manner. So I hope you like it, and if you like it, do give it a thumbs up, and do search for this method. The method is again called the lima bean method or the bean method, BEAN. So see how I have done. Sorry for the long pause that I have to take. I was thinking of the word, and as you can see some of the poses of how the sitting pose, the standing pose and the running pose. Though you might not understand, but it's the kind of pose that who will practice will know. And wait for my live. When I will do the live, you can see that how it will come. And see, now I am making the two of the torso in different position. The upper torso or the body is not the completely oval, but it goes round in the 10th, and in the 11th 12th it makes a concave shape, just like the actual torso or the human anatomy. But for the sake of simplicity, we take the full circle. And see, when I will make this, you will see how it is going to make or form the shape. So yeah, and it is the figure or the drawing. So see how it is made. And thank you for watching my video. So how it is made. Thank you for watching. Please give a thumbs up if you like, and please do search for it, the lima bean method or the bean method. Thanks for those who have come to watch my video. I would request, please give a thumbs up. Thank you.